talk about how can you find your downloads on your YouTube TV app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first. So you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click on downloads, you just click on it. Then here you will find all downloads here, and here can you finish sign up to see your download options when you just click on sign up. So then here you get your plan here. You click on next and add your card information, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.